beautiful sites around the country.
Okay. Good afternoon, Gapera Sports Corner and People's Talibag. Isa lang tanong ko kina Chairman and of course kay Mayor John Ray. With this upcoming hosting of the WTA 125 Philippine Women's Open, it will be a big boost ba para dito sa ating tennis program natin? Kasi marami tayo mga bagong standouts. Apart from Alex Hiala, which is currently world number 50, meron din tayo mga iba't ibang mga tennis stars na nagsimula po sa grassroots like sila Tenny Madis and of course si Steffi Aludo na maglalaro din the SEA Games. And what is the preparation now ng ating Philippine tennis team para dito sa ating paparating na SEA Games sa Thailand? I'll start with Mayor.
Yeah, definitely, no? We have a lot of talent, especially dun sa probinsya. Kaya lang hindi sila nakaka-experience, makalaro internationally, at makita yung talagang magaling na players. So once they experience, see them live, so nandiyan yung inspiration. Pero hindi naman doon natatapos yung programa po natin sa Philippine Tennis Association, ganun din sa PSC. We're actually building the whole ecosystem. Kaya nga tuloy-tuloy yung mga pag-train natin, certify ng mga coaches po natin, pagtulong dun sa mga atleta po natin. Napaka-importante na lumabas sila, makalaro dun sa mga international tournaments. That's why right now we're hosting an international junior tournament. At tuloy-tuloy yung mga local tournaments natin. Halos every week meron tayong local tournaments sa buong bansa. So, importante dyan yung buong ecosystem. If you talk about Alex Ayala, kaya siya naging successful at 13 pa lang. She experienced playing abroad. In fact, she stayed in Spain and she had good coaches, good support team. So, you need to build that whole ecosystem. And kasama dun sa whole ecosystem natin, yung binanggit ni Chairman na national tennis center po natin dun sa New Clark City wherein we can host events and we can train those we scout, the good players that we scout all over the Philippines, and they can also study there. Nandun na rin po yung National Academy of Sports. So kulang po yung mga estudyante po doon. Alam ko, capacity doon dapat 800, sa 400 pa lang sila. At when I went there, I talked to Executive Director Joy to promote tennis, to include tennis as one of their sports program. Ang problema, walang tennis court. So pag natayo natin to ay mas maraming opportunity makapaglaro at mag-train natin yung mga dapat natin i-train. So importante dyan yung whole ecosystem na katuwang po natin siyempre yung PSC and POC and different agencies po. Kasama na rin po yung TSI.
Additional thoughts po, the good chairman. Thank you. Additional thoughts dun sa sinabi ni Mayor.
Botong-boto ako. Agree ako kay Mayor Gab.
I think that aside from our junior program that we hope to start in New Clark City, as Chairman Pato has been telling us, the PSC is also building regional training centers in the Visayas and Mindanao where a lot of our tennis talents are coming from. Sa tennis talaga marami sa mga good players natin like si Iggy Pantino, si Nino Alcantara, si Tenny Madis, lahat yan ang galing sa probinsya. So the regional training centers, Chairman,